right there. Freeze. And right here. Okay, Brayden, have you seen this book?
No.
It's called Kidini Karate Book.
Oh.
Okay. First of all, let's introduce our friends. Who's this? What is this? What's his name?
Eyezic the owl.
Eyezic the owl. What do you notice about Eyezic? What do you see? What do you see about Eyezic, guys?
About a mask. We see mask.
He's got a mask on. Why is he wearing a mask?
Because he doesn't want to coronavirus.
Right. So, guys, Charlie, what do you see about Eyezic? He does. What else do you see?
He has claws.
He does have claws. What else? Yes.
He has a scarf.
He has a bow tie. Bow tie. What else? Something else about Eyezic? What do you see? He's got glasses like me. What else?
He has a beak.
He does have a beak. Yes.
Look what he has too.
Done. So we talked about all the things about Eyezic, but what you didn't see was one big thing, huge thing. Eyezic has a
belt.
yellow belt. What kind of belt is it?
Yeah. How did he do a lot of karate?
It's a yellow belt. How did he get it? Charlie, how did he get his belt? Yeah, he earned it. How did he earn it? By doing what?
Because he was good at karate.
He was good at karate. Clap up for Charlie. He did a great job. Okay, now look. Who wants to hear about Eyezic?
Me.
All right, here we go. Let me tell you.